Alright, what's going on, people? So, check out this friggin' thing. Just welded her up now. Not the prettiest welds, but you know, it's fine. It don't matter. But I took the exhaust off to weld it. I just tacked it on there while it was on there, and then. But it's basically a requirement to run it off the header whenever you take the exhaust off, so that's what I'm gonna do. Obviously. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, you take the exhaust off of anything for whatever, and you just gotta run it. Just sounds. Whew. That sounds good. Okay, well that was loud. Now everyone inside probably hates me. Whatever, they're fine. Jace, that was loud. I think it blew some sparks actually. I think I saw a little bit. I don't know if it was sparks. Probably wasn't. But jeez, I got a headache now. Holy. Jeez. Alright, I'm just gonna slap this exhaust on. Get that out of the way. I had to take this towel off because I thought it was gonna catch on fire. She shoots a lot more smokes, a lot more flames than the old Agway over there. Well, now that I got that out of my system, just hearing something run off the header, it's just whew. If you don't like it, you just, what is wrong with you? Now I don't think it hits anything. My super long exhaust. I don't think it does. So it might be all set. Now, I mow with this thing in the summer. I've mentioned that before. And I'm not sure how the mowing deck is gonna cooperate with this thing. Okay. Now, I don't know how I should kind of support this. I can't really use zip ties. I can't really zip tie it anywhere. Exhaust clamp, I know I got some exhaust clamps laying around, but that wouldn't really fit. I don't know. But luckily it doesn't hit anything. Well, except for this. My mowing deck thing hits that. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better than it did. Also, I'm not going to have to worry about it blowing smoke in my rim and making my rim all black from smoke. Where's the hood fit actually? Oh, the hood fits good. It actually looks pretty nice. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It'll shoot flames out the bottom there. Melt some snow. Also, now a little update on the Murray. She look clean to you? It does to me. She is clean. Clean. We got waxed her all up. She's pretty good. Actually, I only use wax. I just used whatever I had. It's like this thing is actually not meant for cleaning paint. It's tire shine, but that's what I used. Also some Windex, but it shined it up real good. So if you don't have any wax, like car wax or anything like that, just use some tire shine and some Windex. That's what I did. So yeah, tell me what you think about the new exhaust. Let's fire it up and see how it sounds. Yeah, she looks pretty good under there. Yeah. Maybe someday I'll just do completely get rid of this junk muffler, because this comes out right here. I can just have it come out at an angle right here and then down and out. I'm not really a big fan of stacks. You saw Brady's mower in the last episode, or last video. I gave that to him. That stack used to be on the old Agway way over there, and I didn't really like it because it blew in your face. And if you were to roll over, you would frig it all up. Or if your exhaust was strong enough and it could hold up, the aluminum block probably wouldn't be able to hold up to it, and it would crack it or something. I know it would mess something up if you were to roll it over. And I actually have rolled that thing over before. There's a dent in the hood, which I'm still pretty mad about. And I did that like a month. I don't even know how long ago I did that, but let's just quickly fire this thing up one more time. Oh, did I mention it's like 7 o'clock at night right now? Okay. Now, I would take this thing out for a ride, but it's actually almost 8 o'clock, not 7 o'clock. Really. That didn't sound good. Ooh, she's blowing a little smoke out the cab. Not really a huge sound change, but it's just more for looks for right now. Well, it does serve a little bit of a purpose, just keeping the smoke off that tire. Because you saw in the last video, there would get snow on the tire, and it would just spray it everywhere. So, kind of fixed that. Found some scrap metal laying in the scrap pile back behind there, and I rigged her right up good. We used this old Lincoln electric welder. It's a MIG welder. Oh, I also got a question for you people who weld, who are watching this video. Yeah. I don't think I'm using the right wire for what I'm doing, because I am a good welder. I've welded before with the right wire, with the wire that came with this thing, and I welded just good. It was a good weld. Even someone who welds said it was a good weld. So, and then I just went to Tractor Supply, bought the cheapest stuff I could find, and now it welds like crap. And like I told you before, I'm a good welder. So, probably because I'm using cheap wire. It's like copper looking. Whatever, it got the job done. Not very clean looking, but it holds, I think. Yeah, kinda. Whatever. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe.